Welcome back to One Two Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your new American funding account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in New American Funding Login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the second link where it says New American Funding Login. Once you click on it, you'll get to this login page. On this page, you'll have to provide your login credentials, and if you are new to this page, you can register for a new account by clicking on this link. Now go ahead and enter your email address. After that, enter your password. And if you want to recheck your password, you can click on this icon and it will reveal your password. And you can also use one-time password for a login into your account by clicking on this checkbox. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to reset it. And if you have an access code, you can click on this link to log into your account with an access code. Now once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials, then click on the login button. Once you click on it, you will be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.